Hi friends, welcome to my teacher model. Here I'm going to be doing my outline. I have a couple of things with me. I have my evidence collection chart from lesson 5 and then my brainstorm from lesson 6. I'm going to be using these two pieces of references for when I'm doing my evidence portion of my outline. Here is my teacher model outline. I have my writing prompt up here, the outline anchor chart that I can refer back to, and then my Oreo cookie outline here. I have my opinion, reason 1 along with the evidence, reason 2 along with the evidence, and then my closing opinion. For the sake of time, I went ahead and wrote out my answers. That way this video is not super long. So let's get started. Step 1, you need to identify your topic. If you aren't sure about your topic, you can find it by looking at the prompt. In an opinion essay, your topic is your opinion, or in this case, Willie's opinion. I will write Willie's opinion in the first box of my outline where it says opinion. Just a refresher of my prompt, it says, imagine you are Willie Snowflake Bentley. Write an essay to be published in your town newspaper explaining your choice to study snowflakes instead of farming. So when I'm doing my outline, I'm pretending that I am Willie. So for my opinion, I said, I know I made a different choice than most people, but my study of ice crystals taught other people about snowflakes and it made me happy. That makes it worth doing. Step 2. Every opinion needs reasons. Reasons explain why an opinion is true or why the person believes the opinion. I'm going to write down 2 reasons, but you can have more than 2 reasons for your outline. I think Willie would say his work was worth it because it taught other people about snowflakes. I also think he would say his work was worth it because it made him happy. Those are my 2 reasons. So here are my outline. Reason 1, it taught people about snowflakes. And then reason 2, it made me happy. Now on to step 3. Now I need to provide evidence to support my reasons. I will look back at the evidence I collected and decided which details support my reason. So I'm going to look at the evidence that I collected from lesson 5. I will also look at the words I brainstormed. I'm writing in Willie's voice, so I want to include words that sound like him. So here's my brainstorm from lesson 6. When I collected evidence, I just organized it by the order it appeared in the book. In my outline, I can group my evidence in a way that makes sense. I have 2 reasons. It makes sense to group my evidence in an outline based on which reason it supports. So I'm going to find evidence that support it taught people about snowflakes and then evidence that says it made me happy. I will look at my evidence collection chart for evidence that explains how Willie's art taught people about snowflakes. I see 3 pieces of evidence related to this idea. I'm going to add them to the evidence box under this reason. So I went ahead and already sorted out the evidence that matched it taught people about snowflakes. So these are the 3 pieces of evidence that I found. 1, colleges bought my photos. Scientists helped me make a book. 2, even today, those who want to learn about snow crystals begin with Wilson Bentley's book, Snow Crystals. And then 3, I can show these lovely things to people who never would have seen them without my help. I think I'm giving them something which is just as important. So these 3 pieces of evidence support that it taught people about snowflakes. Now I will look for evidence that shows how Willie's work with snowflakes made me happy. I will add those to the evidence box. So here are the pieces of evidence that shows that it made me happy. Living in the snow belt allowed me to see snow all the time. 2, a big storm feels like a gift from King Winter, but for a farmer, it's just a problem. 3, I loved being out in nature, especially when it's snowing. 4, I love sharing my snowflake pictures with everybody. Snowflakes are masterpieces of design. And then 5, it cost a lot of money and took a lot of work to do my pictures, but it was worth it. So I have my reason along with my evidence. I have my second reason along with my evidence. Now, finally, I need to write my opinion again. I should try to say it in slightly different words. If I can't think of anything right now, I can just rewrite my first opinion statement again. So if ever you get stuck, all you need to do is just rewrite your opinion to go into your conclusion. But here is my conclusion for my outline. My photos took a lot of work, but my work made me happy and helped me teach the world about snowflakes. Those are good reasons to do anything. So this is my outline. You guys are going to be doing the same thing with your writing prompt. We're done with the video. You guys can head back over into Nearpod. Bye.